Welcome back. Today's article is titled Why the Best AI Tutors Keep Learning. This may sound technical, but it's really about people, how language evolves, and how education adapts. An AI tutor isn't just about answers. It guides us through change while respecting privacy and culture. Let's start by watching a short video on today's topic and thinking about the issue.
One, classic hallmark, just to give one vignette of what we're able to offer, one of the biggest things that's resonated for our product is the fact that a lot of South Koreans are taught to fear making mistakes because of the primary education systems focus on being correct. And a huge part of our marketing efforts and a big part of the resonance of our product is the fact that it's okay to make mistakes with speak. It's not a real tutor. There's nothing to be embarrassed about, and you can really try to speak the language with none of that fear.
Wasn't that interesting? Now let's start with a similar case. Apps like Duolingo add new slang and cultural references every year. Without updates, lessons would quickly feel outdated and less useful. Google Translate improves because it learns from millions of user corrections. This shows how language tools must keep evolving to stay accurate. In Korean, small shifts in formality can change meaning completely. A tutor must show when to use polite forms versus casual ones. AI tutors can notice patterns like confusing ship and sheep. Spotting mistakes consistently makes correction more effective. Is it enough for an AI to know grammar rules? Real teaching means adapting to individual needs, not just reciting information. Languages like Korean or Japanese rely on social context for meaning. A useful tutor must guide us through these hidden cultural cues. Immediate feedback helps us fix habits before they become permanent. An AI tutor's strength is noticing patterns humans might overlook. For AI tutors to work, they must remember preferences. But storing data creates risks. Balancing personalization with privacy is essential. English in India sounds different from English in Canada. A strong AI tutor must adjust to these varieties without confusing learners. Keeping models updated for millions of learners requires huge computing resources. This challenge shows education and technology are now deeply linked. The future of AI tutors is not just speaking naturally, but teaching effectively. Real value comes from systems that understand how humans learn. Let's check out two expressions from the article that show how we report information and how we change based on new conditions. Let's look at two key expressions. Number one is according to. This phrase is used when quoting or reporting what someone else has said. Let's take a look at the examples. In the first example, this shows reporting information from media. In the second example, this highlights expert advice. Next is adjust accordingly. This phrase is used when actions change to fit conditions. Let's take a look at the examples. In the first example, this shows flexible planning. In the second example, this highlights customer responsiveness. Now let's take a look at three vocabulary words that describe updates, risks, and flexible systems. The word fine-tuning. This word is used for gradual improvements in systems, tools, or processes. In the example, this shows small adjustments for better results. Misleading. This word is used when information is inaccurate or confusing. In the example, this shows how wrong input affects learning. Adaptive. This word is used when describing systems, tools, or people that adjust effectively. In the example, this shows responsiveness to user patterns. Great job today. So what's the takeaway? The best AI tutors are not just intelligent, they keep learning and adapting. They also guide us through the changing world of language. See you in our review session.